Let us continue to talk about how to quickly choose membrane switches that you want. After confirming whether it needs to be waterproof, the next step is metal domes or silver paste for embossing. Metal domes give you good hand feel. The silver paste doesn't, but it has a longer lifespan. JRPanel produces good silver paste embossed membrane switches. That takes more than 1 million times pressing. For back adhesive, we choose the best one, which is 3M. 5 types of 3M are available for you. Remember to check the print quality. Silkscreen printing is what JRPanel is doing. Compared with UV printing, silkscreen printing is more vivid in color. It's suitable for display. JRPanel handles opaque technology, which is often used on car dashboards. Finally, don't overlook after-sales service. JRPanel tracks the quality problems in real time through the order system. It ensures that any problems after purchase can be resolved in time. Meanwhile, it is also possible to reorder quickly. It's convenient for multiple batch purchases. In addition, before making up your mind to purchase, you can also refer to other customers' reviews to know whether the product performance and quality are reliable. We always welcome customers to visit our factory at any time. JRPanel has rich experience in membrane switches manufacturing. Don't hesitate to contact us if you need something.